Welcome to the Friendly English Podcast. Learn English easily, naturally, and with fun.
Today we talk about your job in English. We talk about daily work. We talk about future goals. This lesson is for beginners. We use easy words. We use short sentences. We speak slowly. Many people feel shy when they talk about work. They do not know what to say. They do not know how to start. Today, we learn simple ways to talk about your job. First, let us talk about what a job is. A job is the work you do every day. You do a job to earn money. You do a job to help people. Now let us learn how to say your job. You can say, I am a teacher. You can say, I am a student. You can say, I am a driver. You can say, I work in an office. Listen again. I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver. I work in an office. You can also say where you work. You can say, I work at a school. I work at a hospital. I work at a shop. I work at home. Let us hear some full examples. I am a teacher. I work at a school. I am a nurse. I work at a hospital. I am a shop worker. I work at a shop. I am a writer. I work at home. Now we talk about daily work. Daily work means what you do every day at your job. You can use very easy sentences. You can say, I teach students. You can say, I help people. You can say, I use a computer. You can say, I talk to customers. Listen slowly. I teach students. I help people. I use a computer. I talk to customers. Now let us make longer sentences. I teach students every day. I help people at work. I use a computer at my job. I talk to customers in the shop. You do not need long sentences. Short sentences are good. Clear sentences are good. Now let us talk about work time. You can say, I work in the morning. I work in the afternoon. I work at night. I work full-time. I work part-time. Listen again. I work in the morning. I work in the afternoon. I work at night. I work full-time. I work part-time. Now we talk about liking your job. You can say, I like my job. You can say, I love my job. You can say, my job is good. You can say, my job is busy. You can also say if your job is hard. You can say, my job is hard. You can say, my job is easy. You can say, my job is fun. Let us hear examples. I like my job. It is good. I love my job. It is fun. My job is busy, but good. My job is hard, but I like it. Now we talk about future goals. Future goals mean what you want later. What job do you want in the future? You can say, I want a new job. You can say, I want a better job. You can say, I want to learn new skills. You can say, I want to help more people. Listen again. I want a new job. I want a better job. I want to learn new skills. I want to help more people. Now let us make future sentences. In the future, I want to be a teacher. In the future, I want to work in an office. In the future, I want to start a business. In the future, I want to work abroad. Do not worry about mistakes. Simple English is enough. Clear English is enough. Now let us repeat key ideas slowly. You can say your job. I am a teacher. I am a student. You can say where you work. I work at a school. I work at home. You can say what you do every day. I help people. I use a computer. You can say your future goal. I want a better job. I want to learn new skills. Now it is time to practice speaking. Speak slowly. Pause after each sentence. Say this. I am a worker. I work in an office. I use a computer. I like my job. Now change the job. I am a teacher. I work at a school. I teach students. I like my job. Now talk about the future. In the future, I want a better job. I want to learn new skills. Practice again by yourself. Change the job. Change the place. Change the future goal.
Listening to the Friendly English Podcast. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next episode. Like, share, subscribe.